Good morning. Today at Motor City Spindle Repair, we're talking about motorized spindle testing. So let's take a look at some of the motorized spindles we repair. Primarily, we're going to be taking a look at machining center spindles. Here you have a motorized Kessler spindle. These are very popular in all different types of German and European OEM horizontal and vertical machining centers. DMG Mori is a huge user of these particular units. This is a Mazak Integrex spindle. These units are in mill turns. Mill turns are a combination of machining center and turning center. We also do a significant number of these units. This right here is an Okuma horizontal machining center. As you can see, this unit is being rotated at maximum RPM. We do test run all of our spindles at Motor City Spindle Repair for a full 8 hours, and we test run them for 2 hours at maximum RPM. Right now you're looking at another DMG Mori Kessler spindle, and as you can see, clearly motorized. Again, another high-end unit. Here's another Okuma. The top three spindles that we do at Motor City Spindle Repair is DMG Mori, Mazak, and Okuma. At Motor City Spindle Repair, we digitally record all the spindles we run in-house for your review. We also take vibration analysis signatures of your spindles, and we record this documentation in acceleration and velocity. Acceleration and velocity tells us the overall health of the spindle bearings, preload, and balance. This guarantees the highest quality control and that your spindles were rebuilt correctly. Here's an example of a Doosan horizontal machining center spindle. Here's a Hessup that was sold once upon a time by Mag and also Phoebes. Here's an OKK motorized horizontal machining center spindle. Here is an SKF unit that goes into different turning centers. Again, here's another Mazak motorized spindle. Thank you for checking us out at Motor City Spindle Repair. Again, our policy, if we can't test it, we won't rebuild it.